Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is August 16th, 2025. I am going to walk you through my mid-August 2025 backyard garden tour in Zone 6A, Michigan. While I am walking through the mid-August backyard garden tour, I will let you know how I am reusing the same raised beds to grow more vegetables as second crops for fall harvest after harvesting the first crops of summer vegetables. These orange color flowers are nasturtium plants. These are pinto bean plants. I sowed pinto bean seeds directly in the first raised bed in July 19th as second crop after harvesting the first crop of potatoes. Also, I replanted okra and agathi kirai plants in the first raised bed in end of July as second crop after harvesting the first crop of potatoes. Agathi Kirai is a nutritious leafy green tree and it is used in the South Indian cuisine and traditional medicine. It has a slight bitter taste and its health benefits are like immunity boosting and bone health support. These are okra plants. These are Agathi Kirai plants. In the second raised bed, I replanted the volunteer tomato plants as second crop after harvesting first crop of potatoes. This white pot has a honeydew melon plant. This orange bucket has a small yellow pumpkin plant. This is honeydew melon plant. In the third raised bed, these are Chepangilangu taro root plants and its leaves are very big and wide. The taro root leaves, stems and its tubers are edible but it must be cooked properly. Taro root offers benefit like improved digestion and gut health due to high fiber and resistant starch, supports heart health with potassium, helps manage blood sugar, and boosts immunity with vitamin C. Also, the taro root aids weight management by increasing fullness and provides essential minerals like manganese, copper, and magnesium for overall health, vision, and skin health. In the third raised bed, these are turmeric plants and its tubers are edible. The turmeric tuber has been used in Ayurvedic and other forms of traditional medicine in India. The turmeric tuber has a natural compound called curcumin, which has both antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These are beetroot plants in the third raised bed. Both beetroot leaves and tubers are edible. Benefits of beetroots are lowering blood pressure, improving athletic stamina, boosting brain health, helping digestion with the fiber, and providing powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation. In the third raised bed, I sowed cabbage and cauliflower seeds directly and replanted the hot chili pepper plants in July 31st as second crops after harvesting the first crops of radish, rutabaga, and turnips. This is calendula flower plant. Also, beetroots support heart health by improving circulation, help detoxify the liver, and provide essential minerals, making them a nutrient dense addition to any diet. In this fourth raised bed, the main first crop is sweet potato. Also, I sowed beetroot seeds in all four sides of the bed as the first crop. These small yellow color flowers plants are cantaloupe fruit plants. The benefits of cantaloupes are like boosting immunity, improving eye and heart health, helping digestion and dehydration due to its rich content of vitamins, minerals, fiber, water, and antioxidants. Sweet potatoes are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that boost immunity, support vision, improve gut health, manage blood sugar, and antioxidants protect against cell damage and chronic disease. Sweet potatoes are a nutritious whole food carb source that helps digestion, heart health, and provides sustained energy. These two parts are having the bitter gourd plants. These are small size varieties of bitter gourd plants. Both bitter gourd leaves and pods are edible, but mostly we use bitter gourd pods must be cooked properly. The benefits of bitter gourds are like lowering blood sugar, rich antioxidants, improving heart health, helping weight management, boosting immunity, supporting skin, and potentially fighting cancer. Bitter gourd is a nutritious addition to diets, but caution is advised for diabetics and pregnant women, so consult a doctor before use. This purple pot has the honeydew melon plants. Benefits of honeydew melons are hydration, boost immunity, better skin and vision, improve digestion and heart brain health support, and bone strength. These are sweet potato climber vines. Sweet potato leaves are edible, but we mostly use sweet potato tubers for our cooking. Sweet potatoes are a nutritious whole food carb source that helps digestion, heart health, and provides sustained energy. In every raised bed, I planted marigold plants. The pink color flowers are zinnia flower plant. Flowers attract the bees, so bees helps better pollination naturally to get more yield. This is snake gourd plant. Benefits of snake gourds are helping digestion, managing blood sugar, promoting heart health, boosting immunity, providing hydration, helping weight management, skin and hair health. This is white pumpkin plant. Benefits of white pumpkins are support immunity, digestion, skin and heart health, hydration, weight management, and detoxification. White pumpkins also contain antioxidants, help fight inflammation and chronic disease. In this fifth raised bed, these thin sticky leaves plants are fennel plants. In this fifth raised bed, I replanted okra and agatikire plants in end of July as second crops after harvesting the first crop of garlics in mid-July. Okra is low in calories but packed full of nutrients. The vitamin C in okra helps support healthy immune function. Okra is also rich in vitamin K, which helps your body clot blood. These are okra plants that I planted on both sides of the bed. In the middle row, I planted the agatikire plants. This is calendula flower plant. In this sixth raised bed, I sowed green beans seeds directly in August 1st as second crop after harvesting first crop of onions in July 31st. These are long bean plants. Long beans are nutrient dense legumes packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants, offering benefits for digestion, immunity, heart health, blood sugar control, and bone health. In the seventh raised bed, I replanted cluster beans and agatikire plants in end of July as second crops after harvesting the first crop of garlics in mid-July. These are cluster bean plants that I planted on both sides of the bed. Cluster beans are nutrient rich vegetables packed with fiber, vitamins, iron, calcium, and potassium, offering benefits like improved digestion, blood sugar control, heart health, strong bones, boosted immunity, and weight management. Cluster beans also contain antioxidants that help fight chronic disease and support neural development. In the middle row, I planted the agatikire plants. This is fennel plant. This pot has Indian yellow pumpkin plant. This is spaghetti squash plant. This is black-eyed Susan flower plant. In this eighth raised bed, I sowed carrot and parsnip seeds directly in August 1st as second crops after harvesting the first crop of onions in July 31st. This is purslane kiri plant. This is red tandukirai, that is red amaranth plant that I left it for seeds. These are avarakai, that is flat beans plants. Overall, I am very happy today for walking through the mid August backyard garden tour part 1 with you. If you liked this video and wanted to see more gardening videos from Jaya Gardens channel, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video to your friends and families. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.